Hey guys, how's it going? How to make TikTok trending Venom videos using AI. So first of all, go ahead to a website called the Pixverse, which is a website that allows you to upload your photo and implement that photo onto new effects. You can just go ahead right here and click the effects, right? So let's say, for example, I'm gonna close this, click effects, you're gonna be able to see it, right? And you're gonna be able to pin down the effects. Let's say, for example, who is Venom, right? You can see multiple templates for that. You can use that, or you can use the original one. Let's say, for example, scroll a bit down right here, scroll a bit down, Batman, Iron Man, Crazy, Catwoman, who is Venom, let's say this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply upload an image of myself. So log in, of course, with your own account, right? So it might take a while, so I'm gonna just implement it right away. So I'm gonna upload an image of myself, right? So go and upload your image, hit done. As you can see right here, this is my picture. What I'm gonna do, just simply click create at the bottom right here, right? And now as you can see, now the video is being generated. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments just to show it to you, and I'm gonna you're gonna be able to do it on your own free time. You can see right here, this is the video appearing for you. You can download it, right? You can download this video, right, to your device. And now what you're gonna do, you can just go back and go to your TikTok and then go and upload it to your TikTok. So do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.